Guys, we just got back from 4 months on the road, and we found that our coffee and tea cups were horribly stained, and I've been trying a load of things to try and get them clean. I tried the normal, oh, it's our assistant. I tried the normal stuff, soap and water, hot water, soaking. I tried bleach. Then I went to the internet. I went to YouTube. I tried lemon, I tried vinegar, and I tried baking soda. Oh, you're going to help us there, little one.
Yeah, she like to help us.
Yeah. Inside the cup, you can see it is pretty dirty, and I'm just embarrassed to say this is mild. The other one that I did as a test to see if this method worked was horrific. So, this is a simple but fantastic method. You just need two things, and one of them is boiling water, and then you need to put the item, which the cleaning product is a dishwasher tablet, any type or brand. You're going to put it in this cup, and you're going to fill it with boiling water, then you're going to leave it for an hour. And I found this has amazing results. Let's test it. So now we are going to the exciting step. Just do it somewhere safe. That is in and pouring the boiling water. We can smell it immediately starting to clean. And I actually found I've got these other cups that are stained on the inside as well. So I thought I'm going to just try to share the cleaning power around, because it's already really strong, and we're going to come back to this in 1 hour. But you can see it's already bubbling. Oh, look at that! Right, that's in seconds. There is a lot of. Can you get close to that, darling? See that? It's got like.
There's a lot of gunk.
Nasty gunk. So we're going to leave it an hour and come back to it. But I'm very hopeful.
I will give you a short update after a couple of minutes. It looks like it is working. Let us see.
We're back. And it's been more than an hour because we went to the gym. So let's see what we've got. Shall I do the less stained cup first?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the less stained cup.
And
it's now not stained at all.
It's clean.
Yeah, it's really clean. Might need a little bit more, but I'll do that in a second. But the badly stained one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Eek, that stuff is sort of sticked a bit.
It's yucky.
It's really yucky, that residues. Anyway, I think it needs a little bit of soap, but it's basically
clean.
It's basically you can see it's really clean. I'm going to give it a really quick soap up. And hopefully get the last of that out. Oh, it's still fizzing. Lots of power in that. And we'll get all of that off. And we'll be just like new. I think any brand would work. This is not a new cup either. Let's see the result.
Final result.
Spotless.
Wow.
So clean. So I would say, guys, if you're having the same problem as us, just do it. This is your solution.
And it is really working. No fake at all.
Yep.